My name is Federico and today I'm gonna show you my secret to make your tacos to be the best of the best. Los más sabrosos, los más picosos. Los tacos locos forever. Eso. Simón, güey. This is the salsa that goes in my tacos. And my quesadillas, my chilaquiles. You can put it in anything you want. It's so good. You wanna know the ingredients? Let's do it. But first, so good. Oh. The ingredients that I use for make this salsa: 1 bunch of cilantro, 1 lime, half of the serrano pepper, garlic clove, salt, black pepper, 1 avocado, and that's it. Oh, missing the water. Don't put oil. It's a crime. Don't do it. We're gonna put all this in here. It's like a smoothie, but believe me, it's so good. I love it. All you have to do is add the cilantro, water, this is my secret. The green salsa, or avocado salsa, or serrano pepper salsa, or chile verde, who knows, but it's so good. Garlic, lime. Tacos without this salsa are not tacos. Mexicans without the salsa are the Mexicans. Well, I don't know. Salt, pepper, onion, and you blend them. Oh, avocado! Wow! Many times I make this salsa. I have done it, and I almost forgot my avocado. Wow! This recipe is super easy, fast, and great. I like this blender. It's so easy to use it. Here is your green salsa. Let's taste it. It's good. If you want to add more serrano pepper, you like heat, you like spicy, just add it. Salted, you want more salt. You want pepper, add more pepper. You can add mayonnaise, sour cream. If you are vegan, you can add sour cream that is vegan, and enjoy it. I'm gonna show you to make tacos, tostadas, más tortillas. Claro que sí, mo, güey, eso todo. Today I'm gonna show you my secret